Hello everyone, my name is 𝐂𝐚𝐴 and welcome in GATE Wallah platform. As you guys know, whenever any information comes, we will try to provide you as soon as possible, so you are aware about every career options and every details which required to make a good career. So guys, if we talk about IIT and NIT M.Tech counseling for 2024 season, then guys, already the IIT counseling is ongoing process, and if you are already applied in IIT, then you are able to observe like 𝐂𝐸𝐴 is regularly releasing lots of the offers and all. But guys, those students who just qualify GATE examinations and have a GATE score less than average GATE score, or just in the range of average GATE score, maybe they didn't get any offer till now. So as per my opinion, CCMT portal will play a big role for those type of students, because the NIT, all the top NITs, other institutions like triple IITs, they are going to really take admission through CCMT portal. And guys, recently, if you are able to observe, CCMT started their application form filling from today onwards. If you are able to observe, you just need to click on this online registration link, CCMT counseling GATE registration ID, this whole thing is available. So first you need to put a new candidate registration, and then whatever detail is required, you need to fill that all detail like candidate name, GATE registration ID, GATE exam year, GATE exam paper, GATE scorecard, GATE marks out of 100, and then security pin and all. And if we talk about guys, after registration, after completing these details, they will require more details from you, and then you need to choose your preference order out of all the NITs and triple IITs options. So I just want to advise you guys, while choosing this particular preference, you need to aware about few points. Like the first point is, do not try to put a lower NIT on your higher preference. Always try to put higher rank NITs in higher preference. And if you for an example, if you are applying in 50 NIT, if you are putting 50 preference, then out of 50, 15, 20 last preference should be in the average NITs range. Don't try like all NITs I need to put in the top rank only. So on that particular case, if you have a GATE score in the low range, then you are not able to get any type of offer. So always try to fix 10 to 15 offer in the last list of your preference, always from the different NITs which are lower than average ranking. And if we talk about guys, the other thing, the seat matrix for this particular part, the participating institution fees detail, everything is mentioned here. If you are able to observe, like every institution, whatever the fees amount will be taken for different courses, that will be available, so you can compare. It's not necessary like every NITs have a same amount of fees. Every NITs maybe have a different amount of fees for different courses. So you can just check it, like which NITs are taking what amount of fees, and the hostel facilities are available or not. Rather than this, like what is the other expenditure you need to take care of it. So all thing is available. Some as you know, like if you compare the fees of NITs with the IITs, then definitely you are able to observe the fees of NIT is always high, because the NIT is a centrally funded institution, but the IIT will receive maximum fund from the center, and the NIT will receive less fund compared to IITs. So that's why they need to keep the fees high for higher maintaining the higher expenditure. Similarly guys, the other details are also available. And if we talk about guys, in this particular part, they will also provide the important details and all. So you need to follow this timeline. Like for an example, the starting date of online registration is today onwards you can fill form. Last date is 7 June, and then once you choose your preference, then the final lock will be around in 10 June 2024. And if you are not able to lock your preference, then automatically whatever choices you saved, they will be automatically locked after 10 June 2024. Then announcement of round 1 result, when you receive some offer, you need to pay seat acceptance fees, and then you need to put your documents and all, and you need to online verification of your identity and all. Then announcement of round 2 result, round 3 result, that will be going on. This is for only additional round. Then after this, this is only for main round. Then after that special round will be also there. So you need to follow all the timeline. And if we talk about guys, rather than this cutoff marks and related details I am going to cover on the different videos. You can follow that particular videos, and if you belong to any special category, special eligibility, then there are one good news for you. The XC students will be now onwards also have a good scope in NITs, because previously if you are able to observe, the XC students are not able to apply on NITs compared to IITs. IITs they have a very good options, but NITs they have a lack of options. But now onwards you will have a good option in NITs too. All the XC students and whatever branch are eligible, they mention in special eligibility list. And if any institution in demanding the minimum percentage marks, they will also mention. If this is not mentioned, it means any students are eligible who have a passing marks. So guys, this type of all details are available, and I am regularly try to provide you lots of video where I will compare IITs and old NITs and old NIT versus new IIT, and rather than this like cutoff and all this type of video I will try to provide you. So lots of information you will receive before making any decision. So don't be hurry guys, just wait patiently, and then like date is like, around 7/5/2024, so 7/6/2024, so you can just calmly fill your application form. Rest you can join Kuldeep sir _PW Telegram channel, where lots of students are already pursuing their masters in IITs. NITs are available, and those students who are applying this year, they are also available. So you can just make a discussion for your doubts and all. That will be definitely help you. Thank you so much guys. See you in another video. Till then, goodbye, take care.